Hello there, my lovelies. This is Jana here. Welcome to my channel if you are new here, and if you are not new, welcome back. How you doing? Great? I hope so. So today we're going to make a very nice dish that kids love because it's pasta. It's elbow pasta, but you can choose the shape of your pasta. It's a cheesy pasta with vegetables, one pot. So it's ready in like 15 minutes or less. So let's get into the recipe. What I have here are leftover vegetables. Literally, I took whatever I had left, like a tiny piece. So instead of throwing in a bin, I'm gonna make a pasta. So I have a zucchini, carrots, frozen peas, and red pepper. Now, what I like to do if I'm using carrots is to pre-cook the carrots because they tend to take a long time to cook, and sometimes the pasta, it's super fast, so then you are left with uncooked carrots. So this is just to be on the safe side. You can pre-cook it for like 5 minutes, boil it, simmer it for 5 minutes. And here I have my cheesy sauce that I made for the dauphinoise potatoes. I have cashews, which I have soaked for a while, not so long, and plant-based milk, unsweetened plant-based milk, nutritional yeast, salt and pepper, garlic powder and onion powder, and a little bit of white wine vinegar, and that's it. So in a skillet, you're going to add a little bit of olive oil or water. I like to do that with water. I'm gonna do it with olive oil today, just because. And then we're going to saute the vegetables just a little bit. If you're using onions, you saute the onions first. Now you lower the heat. And then you add the sauce. Good, oh my God, so cheesy, delicious. And now you stir a little bit. It's so fast, this dish, so super fast. Right, we didn't saute the vegetables too long, just a little bit, a little Maillard, you know. Now the pasta. And the pasta is going to cook in this cheesy sauce, and you check on your pasta how long it takes to cook. A little bit of water, medium-low heat, okay? And now we just wait. So here we have our pasta, and it looks like heaven on earth. Just two more things. A little bit of garnish, just for some freshness and some color. I always say that, I know. And because I have been reducing a little bit of salt, I always like to add a little bit of citrusy taste in the end, because it lures your taste buds into thinking that the food is a little bit more savory than actually is. It also gives a little bit of an extra zing, but it's just a few drops, you know, not so much. Just like I said, to lure our taste buds, and it looks delicious and it tastes delicious. Oh, but Chef Jana, it doesn't have cheese in it, so you can say that it's a cheesy sauce. Of course I can, because this is my version of cheese, and it can be your version of cheese. So you can play with your food and make it suit your taste or your family's taste or your dietary needs, and it's so much better than cheese because it's not fatty. It has fats from the cashews and from the plant-based milk, but it's the good kind of fat, you know. And you can do anything. And if people tell you you can't do, you do it twice and take pictures. Unless it's the police, then you don't do that because no. So this is it for today. I hope you have enjoyed it. Don't forget to, I will actually try because it smells so nice. It's super hot though. I'm gonna burn myself. I'm gonna do it straight from this, but don't worry, I'm not gonna put it back, okay? Mmm. Mmm. Perfect. The pasta is al dente. Amazing. I can tell you how long mine was cooking. It was for 7 minutes. I added a little bit more extra water because it depends on your pasta. It will absorb more water or less depending on the quality, on what kind of pasta it is, the shape, so it all depends. So you do you pay attention to your pasta, and then you let me know because you're gonna take pictures and tag me on Instagram, aren't you? So now this is it for today. Now we can end the video, and don't forget that all the measurements and everything about the recipe and substitutions are going to be on my website, and also the printable recipe, and also on the description box below. You just expand and then you have all the recipe and the method. And I see you next time. Have a wonderful week. Take care of each other. Bye bye.